So let's check this exam problem. We have this beam here, it is fixed at point A, and we have a roller at point B, and we have intermediate hinge here, and we want to draw the inference line at both supports. Like we learned, we are going to draw the same beam, and we will remove the support at point A, this fixed support, and instead of it we are going to have a vertical load here, and we will start drawing the deflected shape for this beam. This point it allows rotation, and this point it also allows rotation. So when you apply force here, this whole beam it is going to raise here, and it is going to be stopped by this support, so it is going to be inclined in this way, which means that this part is going to be uplifted here. It will not be with this shape, it will not be inclined, because this point it allows also rotation. This means that it is going to raise here, and it doesn't prevent vertical movement. So it is not like it is going to stay here and only this part is going to raise. No, the whole part here is going to be uplifted, and this point it doesn't allow vertical displacement. So the rest of the beam is going to look like this. We are going to do the same at the support B, and we are going to have vertical force here. In this case it will be different, because this part it doesn't allow rotation because of this fixed support here, but this joint it allows rotation, which means that only this part now is going to be lifted up, and it will be inclined in this way, and the rest of the beam will be remaining as it is without any deformation. So it will look like this. Now let's start drawing our inference line. Here it is going to have the same shape, and at the top of this support it is going to have the value of 1 like we said before, and it will remain 1, and it will start decreasing till it reaches 0. And for the other support it is very simple. At the support here it will equal 1, and it will go down to 0. And like we learned, to check and to make sure that our solution is correct, here the summation is 1, here the summation is 1, here it is decreasing from 1 to 0, here it is increasing from 0 to 1, here also the summation is 1. This is very useful because it can help you sometimes when it is easy for you to draw one of the inference line. Maybe for example you were able to draw the deformed shape for the reaction at P simply, but you can't find out the deformed shape at this in this case. Once you do this one and you have this value of 1 and 0, you know that here it was going to be the other way. It will be from 0 to 1, so both of them will always, the summation will always equal 1, and here all of this part it equals 0, which means that all of this part it is going to equal 1. That's why I told you it is very important to understand this concept. So this is it for our video today. See you in our next video. Thank you.